Autumn is here, kale is now in season, and it will be in season throughout winter, so you can see an awful lot of it in your veg box. So it's time not to be scared of it, learn how to cook it. I'm going to show you a great way of preparing it, and from that you can make a multitude of really quick and simple dinners to enjoy throughout the week. That's today's veg hack, cavolo nero. It's just not easy being green. Tuscan kale, dinosaur kale, cavolo nero, it's the same stuff. Super versatile and easy to cook. You can shred it finely, you can chuck it into stir fries, stews, you can steam it, you can even boil it in really salty water, that's lovely. You can even have it raw, but just massage the leaves with a nice sort of acidic dressing just to sort of break it down a little bit. The stalk's perfectly edible. You can make a pesto with them, there's already a veg hack, so have a look at that, make kale pesto, zero waste vegetable. But the way I'm going to cook it is I'm actually going to slow cook it, because unlike other brassicas, it doesn't develop a sort of unpleasant taste the longer you cook it. So we're separating the stalk from the leaf of the kale. So if you cook it with the stalk, you've got quite a hard stalk with like a floppy bit of kale around it. Not particularly pleasant, so separate them and it's a lot more enjoyable. The textures make more sense in the final dish. And I'm going to finely chop the stalks because they are really quite hard and woody, so the smaller you cook them, sort of the faster they'll braise down and cook down. They're actually so full of flavour though. Pretty colours. Because we're going to cook it down, you don't need to worry about being fine, but you want to just break it up, rough chop, just so it's a bit more manageable in your pan. You'll be surprised how little this actually cooks down to. Look at this, the onion has gone translucent, it's really softened down. The stalks are softened down as well. So I'm gonna add the kale in now, add some stock, turn the heat right down and just slowly cook it, turning occasionally. So I've been cooking it for about 40 minutes now. I've added a bit more stock as it reduces. And if you look at the color now, it's all gone really sort of dark. So I'm gonna get in my ricotta now and stir it in. And I love the color. It goes now, it sort of pales it open, the ricotta sort of spreads and just coats all of this like creamy, slightly sort of sour taste, which complements the sweet kale really well. So imagine this, you've done this on the weekend, you whack in a little Tupperware in your fridge, and now you need a real quick dinner. So boil some pasta, mix that through, parmesan on top, you've got a really healthy, delicious, quick pasta dinner. Jacket potatoes, also whack that on, load of cheese on top, delicious. Turn this into a whole meal, add a couple of cans of butter beans in there as well, stir it up, mushrooms, it goes great with chorizo as well, so you can add that in. So there's so many different meals you can make from just sort of preparing it like this. I'm just gonna do a simple bruschetta just to show you how pretty and colourful and delicious it is. Bruschetta, I shouldn't have said bruschetta. It's a bruschetta. So I've got my toast done, whack it on the plate, and then this stuff, whilst it's just, it smells really good already. Get it on. Bet you've never had kale on toast before, have you? A bit of parmesan. How healthy, delicious and vibrant can you get? It's so simple and so delicious. Oh, it's amazing. It's a real game changer. And like I said, a million different ways you can use this. So there we have it. Kale, super easy to prepare. So versatile. I really hope you enjoyed that. Write a comment, get in touch, let us know what you think. If there's any other vegetable you'd like to see us talk about, cook or prepare, then please let us know in the comment section below. Hit like, hit share, tell your friends and stay tuned for more weekly veg hacks.